In this video, I will show you how to add an end screen to a YouTube video. First, open studio.youtube.com on the browser of your computer. Go to the channel dashboard by clicking on the options shown on the left side of the screen. Here, click on Upload Video. Select the video from your computer by selecting on Select File. Write the title of the video in the given portion. Go to the video element option shown here. Here you can see the option to add the end of the video. Here you can add an end according to your choice, or you can import it from video. Here I am importing it from video by clicking on the Import from Video option. You can choose any part of the video as the end screen. You can click on Element to see different options like Video, Playlist, Subscribe, and Channel. You have different options there. You can check out all the options and select according to your choice. After that, enable the feature of the most recent upload. Allow YouTube to choose any video on your channel, the best video for viewers. Select any video or any new video from YouTube. Now edit the written text that will be shown up on the screen. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on YouTube. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.